Okay, we're going to review the LG Smart Inverter Magnetron Microwave. So first and foremost, as you can probably see, this is just a very cool, sleek looking microwave. It's actually one of the reasons we bought it was because of the look. It has a glass front. This is stainless steel on the front, okay? So it's just a very, very sleek looking upscale microwave. Okay, so that's part of the look. It's also very compact, and let's just take a look at this real quick. It's 18 inches wide by 13 inches, okay? And the height here, as you can see, we have it on top of a washer here, is about 10.5 inches. So it's very compact as microwaves go. Now let's get into the real good stuff. This is a 1,000-watt microwave, okay? The controls here are right here. Very sleek controls. Start, stop. You can start and stop from here. And you can also do the controls from the inside. You have auto cook, auto reheat, popcorn, defrost, power level, cook time, timer. Okay, clear and enter. So really neat controls right here. Okay, so again, it's a 1,000-watt. It is a turntable model. So you get the turntable here for your food for even cooking. All right, now let's talk about the smart inverter, because a smart inverter is what I wanted in a microwave, because it can work off of lower power when you don't use full power. It can go off of 50% power, and that really results in more evenly defrosted and cooked food. So when I look for new microwaves, I look for the smart inverter, okay? So this has all what we wanted in a microwave. You get the LG brand, which is as good and as good as they come, particularly around appliances such as microwaves. So we're really happy with that. And like I said, it's just a wonderful cooking machine. We've had this for 2 years, so this is my 2-year review. It cooks today like it did the day we bought it, evenly. It defrosts well, it cooks evenly food. You know, that's a big thing with microwaves. And it just is easy to control, to figure out. It's simple, and it also fits in a small space. So we absolutely love this microwave. I would buy it again if I needed a new one, but I probably won't, because this is going to last us for years.